In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Xero projects. Let's dive right in and guide you through this handy tool to manage your projects seamlessly. First things first, let's find our way to the Projects section on Xero. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the Xero website. Once there, you'll need to log in to your Xero account. You should already be familiar with this process. But if you're new, simply enter your credentials to gain access to your account. After logging in, navigate to the Projects section. You'll find this by scanning through the menu options at the top or side of the screen, depending on your layout. Click on Projects to proceed. Now that you're in the Projects section, you'll want to see all your current projects. This is easy to do. Simply click on All Projects. This action will provide you with an overview of everything you currently have on your plate, allowing you to manage multiple tasks effectively and efficiently from a central hub. This overview is particularly useful if you are juggling several different projects at the same time and need to keep track of progress, budgets, and timelines. If you're planning to start something new, Xero makes it easy to create a brand new project directly from this page. Look for the option to create a new project. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be prompted to fill in the details for your new endeavor. This is where you can customize your project according to your specific needs. You'll typically need to enter basic details, such as the project name, client information, estimated start and end dates, and any budget constraints you might have. Taking the time to fill out this information accurately will help you stay organized and on top of deadlines and expenses. After you've filled in all the necessary information, review your entries to ensure everything is correct and complete. Double-checking this data is crucial as it forms the foundation of your project management strategy. Once you're satisfied that everything looks good and that all entries are accurate, go ahead and confirm your actions. And voila, you're done. Your new project is now set up in Xero and ready to be managed. By following these straightforward steps, you've now not only accessed your existing projects, but also successfully created a new one within Xero projects. This tool is a fantastic way to streamline your project management processes, ensuring that everything is structured and easily accessible. You can continue to update and monitor your projects as they progress, allowing for greater efficiency and productivity in your work. Hopefully, this guide has been clear and useful, helping you to harness the full potential of Xero projects for your business or personal needs. Thanks for tuning in and happy project managing.